Here's today's question. What size blue jacket did Anne buy? Write your answer in the comments below.
Welcome to Style of Annie. Let me know if you need any help. This? Hi, I'm looking for a light blue jacket in a medium. Here you go, the medium in light blue. This one is a bit too tight. Could I try a large? Of course. Here's the large. I'd like to buy this jacket, please. Great choice. That'll be $49. Can I pay by card? Of course, just tap it here. Here's your receipt. Enjoy your new jacket. Thank you so much for your help. Have a great day.